Smart Weather! Today we are taking the weekly forecast of Denver, Colorado.
Yeah!
Today was a cloudy day in Denver, Colorado. Here in Denver, Colorado, we have been having some chilly mornings throughout the week between 60 Fahrenheit and 65 Fahrenheit. The lowest temperature we had this week is 54. The rest of the week, we will be having higher chances of precipitation going way up to 8. That's what we thought. Though it never did actually rain. So put a big X on rain. Actually, it was partly cloudy throughout the entire week. Okay, and throughout the week, the air pressure is having indeed a very interesting pattern of going up and then down over and over again. Monday it was up, and Tuesday it was down, Wednesday it was up, Thursday it was down, Friday it was up again. Okay guys, it's all for today.
Yeah!
But make sure, just in case, carry an umbrella unless this turns into this. Okay, looks like throughout the week it'll be partly cloudy whole week. And you know what's the perfect activity for that? Fly fishing is one of the most common activities to do in sunny weather in Denver, Colorado. Actually, the whole state of Colorado. Forget Denver, the whole state. See you there, guys. You might even see me there. You're right. Okay, where's my fishing rod? I think it's in here. Ow! This video was filmed and edited by me, 8-year-old Mr.Smartkid. I'm positive I did it all by myself. If I can do it, so can you.
Mr.